Can you get burial insurance even with asthma? That's what we're going to be taking a look at today in this video. So I've got some good news. Having asthma doesn't mean that you can't get burial insurance. Did you know that more than 25 million people in America have asthma? That's 1 in every 13 people. The good news is having asthma does not disqualify you from being able to get burial insurance. As long as you don't have any other major medical conditions such as heart attack, cancer, recent stroke, or a recent stent, then you should be good to go. So let's take a look at how asthma does affect your ability to qualify. So to do that, let's take a look at the 3 different types of burial insurance plans. So first, and the best plan, you have what is called level benefit burial insurance. Now this is the best plan because it provides day 1 full benefit coverage. So you're going to have 100% of the benefits from the first day that you sign up for the burial insurance and send in your first premium. So there is no 2 to 3 year waiting period. Level benefit plans are for people in moderate to good health with little to no prescriptions. You can qualify for a level benefit plan even with asthma as long as you don't have any other serious medical conditions or take certain prescriptions that may disqualify you for one of those plans. Next, we have what's called graded benefit burial insurance. Now this plan is the second step down from the level benefit, and this is for people in decent health to semi-bad health. And graded benefit plans are a good option if you can't qualify for level benefit, but with graded benefit plans, you do have to wait 2 to 3 years until you receive 100% of your benefits. So here's how it works. In the first year, you're going to have 30% of your death benefit. In the second year, you're going to have 70% of your death benefit. And then once the policy reaches the 3rd year, you're going to have full 100% of the death benefit. So for example, let's say you had a $10,000 burial insurance policy with a graded benefit. In the first year, you have 30%. So if you passed away within the first year of owning the policy, it would pay out $3,000. In the second year of owning the policy, you have a 70% death benefit. So if you own a $10,000 policy times the 70%, you're going to get $7,000. And then once it reaches the 3rd year, you're going to have 100% of the benefits. So your beneficiary would receive the full $10,000. And lastly, we have guaranteed issue benefit burial insurance. Now these plans are for people with some serious health conditions or that take prescriptions that indicate they may have a higher risk of death. With guaranteed issue plans, you have a 2 to 3 year waiting period before you receive any of your benefits. So if you pass away within the first 2 years of owning a guaranteed issue burial insurance policy, then your beneficiary would only receive the premiums that you paid into the policy during those first 2 years. And some companies may also provide a 10% addition onto that, so they would return 110% of the premiums paid into the policy. These plans are good for people with serious health conditions such as cancer, heart attack within the last 2 years, or any type of heart surgery within the last 2 years, or any other type of cancer, whether you're in treatment or just got off of a cancer treatment. So another thing to keep in mind is that other pre-existing conditions can affect your ability to qualify for a burial insurance plan. So you want to think about things like recent heart attack, stroke, heart surgery, heart valve replacement, things like that. If you had a pacemaker put in recently, that could affect your eligibility. Also, other oxygen problems that coincide with the asthma, such as COPD, emphysema, chronic bronchitis, will all have an effect on your eligibility or which plan that you may qualify for. Uncontrolled diabetes, uncontrolled high blood pressure, and complications with diabetes can also have a major impact on which plan that you do qualify for. Another thing to keep in mind is that the prescriptions that you take could have a big impact on which plan that you qualify for. I don't want to go through all of those prescriptions right now just because there's such a big list of them. But when you apply for coverage, make sure that you tell the agent that you're applying with all the prescriptions that you take, because you want to make sure that you get fit into the right plan for you with all of your health conditions and the prescriptions that you currently take. With burial insurance plans, you don't have to take a medical exam. All you have to do is answer a few simple medical questions and then give permission to the agent and underwriter to have access to what's called a Medical Information Bureau report. So that's going to give the insurer some of your past medical information. That way they can see if you've had a recent heart attack, if you've had cancer, or any medical conditions that you may have had in the past that are not asked on the application. They'll also take a look into all of the prescriptions that you take, and that is included on the MIB or Medical Information Bureau report. And so it's important that you disclose all of the prescriptions and medical conditions that you do have to the agent when you apply for coverage, just because they're going to see those anyways whenever they get that report. If you would like quotes on burial insurance, or you want to speak with the licensed agent that can give you some advice on which plan you may qualify for, then go to our website, foxxbenefits.com. That's foxbenefits.com.